Okay, today we're working on another Lexus lost key replacement using our mail-in service. Customer mailed in a Immobilizer, they mailed in this key, they mailed in this key. Basically, this is what I was told. They want me to program this into the system. They just bought this car and the key is not programmed. So I don't know where they get this key from. But anyway, they want me to program the key and they want me to add a spare key. They had a few locksmiths try to work it out and they was unsuccessful. So I'll come back in a little bit. All right, we're back. Everything's done. Here's the spare key. This one's programmed in as number 2. This one's programmed in as number 1. And yes, on this unit, this key was not in memory. I checked. It wasn't even in there. But also, the data in this module was messed up. So keep that in mind. You're going to get a few locksmiths. They're going to go out there and program your thing, and then they walk away saying something's wrong with the car, blah, blah, blah. Just ask yourself this one question. There was nothing wrong with your car before you lost your key. And if all you did was lose your key and you wasn't swapping parts, you just lost your key and called somebody to help you, and that person has excuses, oh yeah, something wrong with your car now, it's probably because they don't know what they're doing. The data was corrupted on this. I had to rewrite the data in it before I can even get it ready to program. So yes, when stuff like this come to me and I realize there's other people who have been working on it, yes, you will be charged extra because I have to get this ready, rewrite the data, get it ready to start programming. It's not ready to program at that state once it's messed up. So keep that in mind. But anyway, these are done. Y'all need my help? Give me a call. I've been doing this since 1990, so I've been very fortunate to see all the chips come into play until where we at now. So you need someone with a little experience, know what they're doing, been dealing with it for a long time. Give me a call. I'll tell you what. Give me a call. I'll tell you what to send me, how long it's going to take, what it's going to cost. Or go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup. I appreciate y'all. I'll catch y'all on the next one.